ACI 1948 here. Got the Maytag here. It's been sitting since about the same time, about this time last year, roughly. I mean, I guess it was a little later that I had it running, but I just put some fuel in it. It had some fuel in it that was from last year, so I mixed in a little bit of fresh, and let's see what we get. Uh-oh. Well, Nope, it's still hooked up. Well, let me try choking it by hand. Oh, there she tried. Let's see what she does now. Hey, we might have a runner. Or not. I think I'm going to unhook that while I get some fuel up to it. Okay. Otherwise, I'm going to risk it. All I'm trying to do is get the fuel system primed up a little bit. Click that back on. Pick you up so I'm not pressing stop, and then we'll give her another go. See if she just kicks right off. Alright. Cool. She's just about ready for the show. I'm going to clean this up. Well, it's really not too bad. Wipe it off a little bit. And I did buy, well, I ended up buying a whole nother Maytag washing machine, but I was able to locate another handle for this and the whole mechanism down in here, so for the gears. So that's going on here. There'll probably be another video on this on the future. I'm on my phone right now, so I don't really have a good way to edit the videos together. Oh, there's what the Eclipse sickle mower kind of turned out like. Anyone who was watching that, I never ended up doing another video on it because, well, some stuff came up and I just never got around to finishing it. But, alright. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.